Hey guys, Abby here. Just wanted to hop on here today and talk about PLR digital products and why I think it's the easiest way to get started online. So, as you know, like a lot of people who are looking to start a business just don't know what to do. Now, a lot of people have an idea of maybe a niche or a niche, however you pronounce it, some sort of direction in which they want to go. And if you have chosen, say, health and wellness, or perhaps self help, or make money online, or social media, it doesn't matter what direction you go, but you need to be able to set up some sort of autoresponder, some sort of um, ebook or giveaway or checklist to where you can start collecting email leads into your email list so that you have the ability to email people different offers and different value posts, different value emails telling people, if you're in health and wellness, like you may want to send them an email every time you post a new blog post. You may have products that you want to affiliate to that, hey guys, I use this specific product. It's helped me, lose weight, blah, blah, blah. Here, go check it out. And then you're sending them an affiliate link in your email. But the best way to do and build a business online is to start building your email list. And I think the easiest way to do it is to use PLR, private label rights, to do that. So I've given examples of PLR. So PLR is just private label rights. Basically, it gives you the ability to have pre-made digital products that allow you to edit and brand them as if they were your own. So this is one of the sites, plr.me, and you can check the link below. I would recommend everybody getting a free account. You can register for free. You can take a look around. You can come up here into products. You can look at the different categories for which they provide products. So if you are going into the weight loss and fitness, you could go to this category and look through some of the products that they have. Now, some of these products you can give away for free. So you could, let's just look at weight loss and fitness since I mentioned it. But you can come in here and look at these products that are popular. And they have pre-made articles already done. They've got, affirmations. They've got all sorts of things that you can take, brand to you, and then give away when someone gives you their email. And it starts building a list and making you an authority in whatever niche you're going into. And then PLR Me has a lot of tools that you can use, and you can come in here and look at the different things that they have. They have a content auto loader with plugins and things like that. If you've built your blog on a WordPress, which I've talked a lot about in previous videos, they have some education things in here. And then basically they work on a credit-based system. So I have a couple of credits in here. You can check out new PLRs. You could look for different like I tend to give away like ebooks. I went into social media and built a social media brand. And what I was doing is I was giving away an ebook on how to essentially earn revenue with YouTube. And I gave that book away for free, but those people got on my email list. And at that point, I was able to email them affiliate offers. I could sell them products and services. And I was building a list of people who were following my social media brand for different types of content. And I was able to build a pretty good business selling services and to social media influencers. So you can look at popular new PLRs, popular PLRs. What's nice about PLR Me is if you find something that you like and you want to edit it, they actually have this new tool called, let me get to the front page, right here, where they have this AI playground where you can literally take these PLRs and customize them and edit them for your brand and for you. So yes, they're already pre-built and templated to be the general niche that you're going into, but then this gives you the ability to go ahead and edit it right from this platform. So this is one of the platforms I recommend if you just want to look around at different PLR and like what the options are that you can go through. And just play around here, do some searches. If you know what you're going into, look for products that would be relevant to what you're doing. And then also the other one I recommend is IDPLR. The reason I like a site like this is because a lot of these products, so this is one of their newest, they actually give you a sales page to sell this product from. So this sales page right here will actually be a template that you could just upload onto one of your websites. It's a pre-done sales page. And then when you get to the bottom of here, they have click here to gain access, $27. That product is what this is right here. So they give you a pre-designed website to sell from, which I think is really cool. And then I've got some private coaching and things I do every Wednesday. It's completely free if you click the link and access my tools and resources page, which this is the page right here. If you access this page, it's just a Google spreadsheet, but this has all of the tools that I use in my business to build and expand. So like I go from the simplest things of domain registration and hosting to autoresponders, and right here is where you can grab my free funnel. You can actually click that button and import it into your System.io account. If you don't have one, you can register an account. If you do have an account, just log in and then click that button. It will give you my funnel. And then this video right here is where I explain how to use that, which I will go ahead and link that at the end of this video so that you can watch that. But you can actually use this spreadsheet as something you give away. And then, of course, I give all the resources and different places I use to build my business. So that's why I like a site like this. So, and they have just about everything too. So I want to show you guys a site that, this is one I've been working on. These are auto posts. This is completely run on autopilot. I'm editing the format and things like that and building that out. And I'm doing some training on that in the private group, the free training I do on Wednesdays. And like I said, if you want to join that group right here, free weekly training on Wednesdays at 1 p.m., you guys can ask to join that Facebook group and you'll get the event details. But I do that free every week. With this site, basically, I'm adding posts automatically. I am redesigning this to optimize, put ads on here, but I also have products that I am going to be selling from this website that I can get from over here on this site. So if we put in weight loss, let's just do that. All of the products that pull up in these results are products that I could put on this blog and sell to build my email list. And those are, the things we go into on Wednesdays to show you how to take these types of products and add them, fit them into whatever business you're building. PLR.me. I don't even know what will show up. I will probably find some different things on here and show you guys how to edit them and things like that as well. Because I think these have some really good customized items that then you can rebrand. I could rebrand any one of these weight loss bundles. I could rebrand for my carb cycling for weight loss website. So, and this is, I need to edit the logo. There's still some things I need to work on this site, but right now I'm just trying to get a bunch of auto content put up here so that I can start getting traffic to the site and then selling either a ClickBank product that is for weight loss, or perhaps even PLRs, where all that money, as soon as a sale is made, the money comes into me. And that's another reason I like PLR. Because if I were to use one of these products and I came in here and I said, you know what, I want to do this bulletproof keto diet. Let's go look at what the sales page looks like. Let's see. They look like they're all the thank you page, but let's look. Are you ready to lose weight? So this is the site that comes with this product, which is pretty cool. But this is the sales page. I could have a link to this on my website. People could click this, and boom. As soon as they pay for this, one, they get on my email list. But two, with this, the money comes directly to me because it would be linked to my PayPal or my Stripe account once they paid. So that's what's really cool about using PLR. You basically, this site right here is a one-time license. You pay, I think it's like $80 a year, or no, $80 a lifetime. I'm sorry. It's a one-time fee, and they add new products every month. This one is credit-based. PLR Me is credit-based, so you just buy credits if you want a specific product. Now, obviously, the more credits you buy at a time, the better deal you get per credit. So, and you can come over here and play on this site, but they have a lot of resources and education and things like that to help people use these successfully. And it's just very easy to use a PLR, immediately use that as your giveaway, and start building an email list. And then obviously on Wednesdays, we talk about building blogs, building your YouTube channel, different ways to get organic traffic to where you don't even have to pay for traffic. You just start putting content out there. People find your videos, and you're able to refer them to your opt-in pages. The same as I say, hey, come and get my tools and resources sheet right here. These are all the tools and resources I use. You can access it. You can access our weekly training. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, I give different links to help people. I give extra coaching help with this link. So, I mean, it just depends on what you're doing. You can modify and use all of these things in your own business. And so I'll be showing on this channel more updates as I finish, this site. And as the traffic grows on this, I'll show you how I've monetized it with ads, how I've built an email list, and then, of course, selling PLR products so that every time a sale is made, that money comes into me. So with that, I hope you got some sort of value. This is the group over here. If you'd like to join the group, I'll have links in the description below if you want to come over here and get help. It's free. I don't charge to access this. I don't charge for any the training on Wednesdays. And we've got a lot of people on there who are testing different stuff, and we're bouncing, ideas and feedback from each other, which really helps because obviously learning from other people is key. So, like I said, I recommend just get a free account at PLR Me, and you can actually register at this site for free too. You just won't have access to a lot of the products, but like I said, I think I'm pretty sure if you go hit register, you get a lifetime membership. Yeah, for $80, $79 lifetime membership, and you will get every new product they add to here. So it's actually a really good deal. But start registering for any of these PLR sites that you see so that you can start looking through the products they have to help you with the ideas of building out whatever niche you're going into. So with that, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, make a comment. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer anything. And then, of course, grab my free resources sheet and come join us over into this group over here. All right. See you guys on the next video.